Normally we don't see this kind of issue with the Instagram app, but we cannot ignore this one. Currently, the reason why Instagram keeps crashing on iOS 16 is unknown, but we are sure that the fixes mentioned in this video will surely help you. I'm not going to show you multiple methods you can try out, or I don't want you to waste your valuable time. So I'll be giving you 2 methods here. So let's get started. The first one is, force restart your iPhone. To do so, press volume up, followed by volume down, then press and hold the power button until Apple logo appears. If this doesn't seem to work, then all you need to go is, delete Instagram and reinstall Instagram, and see if it resolved your issue. Several issues such as app crashes can also be caused by an outdated version of software on your mobile device. Make sure that the mobile software on your phone is updated. So, that's how to fix the Instagram app keeps crashing issue on iOS 16. So that's all about it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and enable post notifications. We'll be back with more videos of iPhone, so stay tuned. This is Peter Smith. See you soon in the next video.